Hello again and welcome to Elmo E4 in DC. This is Dennis Mariasis with Tripp Lite. Today we're featuring the new IP-Addressable power strips. These strips have drivers written for Crestron, AMX, and Savant. Our IP manageable power strips come in 8 outlets, 16 outlets, and 24 outlets. Plus you have a flavor of 15 amp, 20 amp, and 30 amp. So what we're showing is how you can take these individual outlets and monitor them and do hard reboots of your equipment. As we know in this industry, nothing freezes up. But just in case it does freeze up, you can go green by now going online and turning one of these outlets on and off and doing a hard reboot. If you recall in the past, we had to deploy a truck to do a hard reboot, but no longer do we have to revert to that archaic method. We now go online, do a hard reboot, and your system's up and running. Again, this is Dennis Mariasis with Tripp Lite at E4 in DC.